Kim. Nice meeting you.
Hello, Gia. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I have something to tell you about technology. It is so interesting.
Really? Can I hear?
Oh, sure. I read an interesting article about technology in the bus this morning.
Really? What did it say?
It was discussing whether technology in our life is a good or a bad thing.
Sure, it is a good thing. It makes our lives much easier.
Well, that's what I thought too. But the article raised some interesting points.
Such as?
The fact that computers were designed to make variety of tasks easier so that they could be completed quicker. However, with PCs, smartphones, and laptops, we spend more time than ever before staring at the screens. The article said that the tools we created to give us more free time have actually started consuming more of our free time.
Actually, that's true. People get obsessed with their phones and end up staring at them for hours every day. That's an addition to all the time they spend on their computers at work.
I know the article also talked about how instant messaging and being constantly connected to the internet had made it impossible for us to ever really switch off our brain and relax.
That's true too. I often put my phone on flight mode at home so nobody can call me.
Haha, that's funny, Kim. Goodbye, Kim. Thank you for your time. Keep safe.
You also keep safe. Goodbye.
Bye.